Using an HDFC Bank senior citizen account is a convenient and secure way for senior citizens to manage their finances. To get started, you need to open a senior citizen account with HDFC Bank, which can be done by visiting the nearest bank branch with the required documents such as proof of age, identity, and address. Once the account is opened, you will receive a debit card, checkbook, and net banking credentials. The debit card can be used to withdraw cash from ATMs, make purchases, and pay bills. The checkbook can be used to issue checks for various transactions. To access your account online, you need to log in to the HDFC Bank net banking portal using your customer ID and password. Here you can view your account balance, transaction history, and statement. You can also transfer funds, pay bills, and recharge your mobile and DTH accounts. Another way to access your account is through the HDFC Bank mobile banking app. The app allows you to view your account balance, transfer funds, pay bills, and locate nearby ATMs and branches. You can also use the app to request a checkbook, debit card, or account statement. Senior citizens are also eligible for various benefits and concessions on their accounts, such as higher interest rates on fixed deposits, lower minimum balance requirements, and exemption from certain fees and charges. To avail of these benefits, you need to submit the required documents and fill out the application form at the bank branch. It is also important to keep your account and debit card details secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. You should never share your account details or password with anyone, and always keep your debit card and checkbook in a safe place. In case you need assistance or have any queries, you can contact the HDFC Bank customer care team, which is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can also visit the nearest bank branch for help. By following these steps and taking advantage of the benefits and services offered by HDFC Bank, senior citizens can manage their finances easily and securely. It is recommended to regularly review your account statements and transaction history to ensure that your account is safe and secure.